Hello, folks and fellows. Motherland is here. First of all, the Russian population is mostly white-skinned, well, as I am. But today's video is not about nationalities or skin color. Maybe I will try to provide you with this information in later Motherland videos, because in reality, even after USSR has crushed, collapsed, and fallen apart, we still got a lot of different nationalities live upon Motherland. So officially in Russia live 147 million people these days. Last 30 years, the population has decreased from 148 million down to 144. But we compensated it by Crimea annexation and by migration from post-Soviet countries, which is not taken into account in the following map of the European population. I hope I will handle some montage and you will see cool maps and infographics. Low fertility is a consequence of lack of social guarantees. Although we have so-called maternity capital, the issuance of additional money after giving birth to a new child. Let me remind you that average salary in Russia is about $500 officially, so maternity capital might cause a positive impact for some families. Average population in Russia is about 8.57 people per square kilometer. For comparison, Canadian average density is half as much. But this is just a tip of an iceberg, You see, Moscow density is about 5,000 people per square kilometer. For instance, in Siberian region it can be less than 1 person per square kilometer. Russia is similar to Canada and Australia within some geopolitical statistics. We have a lot of resources in our motherland bosom: oil, gas, gems, metals, water, and so on. Surely a huge part of Russian territories are not well suited for live upon it. As Canadian and Australian territories also. But we live much worse than people there, probably because of our imperial ambitions or our main dominated religion. Anyway, in reality, Motherland now is similar to a Rome Empire. It is a ridiculously rich capital with a huge amount of taxes, people and financial resources incoming from all over the country into its center. If we leave Moscow, we'll find poor provinces like capital satellites and far away colonies with all sorts of natural resources and stagnating ecology. Rome Empire failed because patrices lost contact with reality, mostly. That's why we got such a large difference between density. So 5,000 people per square kilometer in a stony jungle at one western hand, and some bears, with 1 person per square kilometer at another eastern hand. Well, let's return to today's total density. We've got 68 million males and 79 million females here in Motherland. Officially, for sure. Women also live longer, statistically. Average female lifespan is about 78 years, but only 68 years for males, like me. So probably I will die younger. At the same time, women earn less salary. Yes, we have gender discrimination, regardless my opinion on this matter. Women often die from domestic violence. Men die earlier and more often in wars, accidents, and drug-related illnesses. Speaking about drugs, I do not mean medicine. We got two sorts of drugs legal in Russia. Alcohol is the most deadly one. Tobacco is dangerous as well, but its harm is less direct. Other drugs are not legal in Motherland these days, even though marijuana and LSD were the source of 0 people death, for example. According to our dumb law, we cannot even discuss this sort of thing. So, I hope now you've got a better idea of Motherland, Motherlandish population. Leave your questions down below, and as always, let peace be with you.